Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from September's Boxycharm. This month's theme is BTS, as in behind the scenes of all things beauty. Let's take a look at what's inside. First up, we have the insert name here, Quick Slick Hair Essence, Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream, St. Luxe Beauty Brow Gel, Elaina Badro Babyblues Brush Set, and the Blinc Glow Getter Face Palette. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out the products we received, starting with this hair essence by insert name here. This is supposed to smooth down your baby hairs and flyaways, and it has a spoolie, so it's basically just a gel that you apply to your hair. So I'm just going to be testing that out now. I'm just trying to tame the hair in the front and lay down those flyaways. I have so many short little hairs that just poke upwards. It's actually doing a really good job, and it's not making my hair look greasy either. My hair looks so smooth and shiny now without any flyaways, and I don't feel any product in the hair. There's no glue-like feeling or stickiness, so I really love this one. Now I'm applying the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Eye Cream. This is designed to help the look of fine lines and prevent the first signs of aging. Dr. Brandt is such a good brand, so I'm definitely going to be using this more often just to see how it works for me. Now that I filled in my brows, I'm setting them in place with the St. Luxe Brow Gel. This is a clear gel that's supposed to help keep the brows in place. I use brow gel every time I do my brows. I love the look that it gives, and so I'm interested in seeing how this performs. After that, I'm using the Elaina Badro Babyblues makeup brushes. These are $58, which is very expensive for just 3 brushes, but they do come in this really nice travel pouch. First, I'm trying out this eyeshadow brush. I'm just using it to apply some shadow into the crease. It's blending everything really well. It's almost effortless. Now that I've applied the rest of my makeup, I'm using the face brush to apply the Resilient Blush from the Glow Getter palette by Blinc. The palette features 4 blushes and 4 highlighters. Finally, it's time to apply highlighter from the Blinc palette, so I'm just swatching the highlighter shades. I can definitely see myself wearing the lightest 2 shades, but the other 2 are just too dark for my skin tone. For this look, I'm applying the shade called Empowered. This is definitely my go-to highlighter shade. It's a very lovely champagne pearl. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the brow gel. I just set my face with the NYX setting spray, and what tends to happen after applying setting spray is that the brow gel will get flaky, or they'll just stop working and it'll droop down and it won't hold anymore. But I just want to let you guys know that this brow gel definitely passed the test in my book because none of that's occurred, so I'm really satisfied with it. Here's the finished look using products from September's Boxycharm. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.